Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever wish you could just repair your EV battery? Like, fix a damaged cell, or maybe even upgrade its capacity? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the fascinating, and frankly, slightly terrifying, world of DIY EV battery repair. Now, before we get started, I need to be upfront. While the title is undeniably clickbaity, I have to admit my research, and I mean extensive research, hasn't turned up any readily available, step-by-step guides for completely repairing an EV battery at home. No specific recent information found from web searches, folks. I'm talking the kind of detailed, foolproof instructions you'd expect. So, what we're doing today is more of an exploration of the concept, the challenges, and the potential. Because, let's be honest, the idea is incredibly appealing. Think about it, EV batteries are expensive. Replacing one can easily cost thousands of dollars. So the possibility of extending its life, or even fixing minor damage yourself, is incredibly tempting. But let's also be realistic. We're talking about high-voltage systems, complex chemistry, and potentially hazardous materials. This isn't like changing a tire. Now, what do we know? Well, EV batteries are made up of hundreds, sometimes thousands, of individual lithium-ion cells. These cells are connected in series and parallel to create the overall battery pack. If even one cell fails, it can impact the entire system's performance. And these cells are incredibly sensitive. Exposure to extreme temperatures, overcharging, or even just the natural degradation of materials over time can lead to capacity loss or complete failure. So, could you potentially repair a single damaged cell? Theoretically, maybe. But this is where things get tricky. Replacing a single cell requires specialized tools, precise measurements, and a deep understanding of battery chemistry. There are potential risks involved, including the danger of fires or explosions if not handled correctly. Seriously, this is not a project for the faint of heart or anyone lacking the proper safety equipment. Let's say, hypothetically, you could replace a faulty cell. You need to identify the bad cell, which itself requires sophisticated diagnostic tools, carefully remove it without damaging surrounding cells, a delicate operation indeed, and then precisely install a replacement cell with the correct specifications. This is far beyond simple soldering. We're talking about maintaining precise electrical connections within a high-voltage environment. And even if you successfully replace the cell, there's no guarantee the battery pack will function flawlessly afterward. There's a real chance that the entire system could require recalibration. You might be wondering, what about those YouTube videos promising easy battery fixes? Well, I'd approach those with extreme caution. While some videos might show basic maintenance like cleaning battery terminals, complete cell repair is a different beast entirely. Without specific, verifiable information, I can't endorse any DIY repair attempts beyond the most basic cleaning and inspection. Remember, we're talking about a high-voltage system that stores a significant amount of energy. Improper handling can lead to serious injury or even death. So, while the dream of DIY EV battery repair is appealing, the reality is far more complex and potentially dangerous. Now, let's shift gears a bit and talk about prevention. The best way to avoid needing to repair your EV battery is to take good care of it. This means following the manufacturer's recommendations for charging, avoiding extreme temperatures, and keeping an eye on your battery's health through the vehicle's onboard monitoring system. Regular maintenance, like keeping the battery terminals clean and checking for any signs of damage, can also go a long way. Okay, let's talk about how you can support this channel. If you found even one useful nugget of information today, or maybe had a chuckle at my expense while I was rambling about dangerous battery chemistry, hitting that like button really helps tell YouTube this content is valuable, helping others find it too. It takes a second but means a lot. And hey, if you want to keep diving deep into topics like this and stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. We've got more insights coming your way. Creating these detailed videos takes a ton of research and time. If you get value from this work and want to support the channel directly, there's a Patreon link in the description below. Every little bit helps fuel future content and keeps this channel going strong. No pressure at all, but huge thanks if you do. You're essentially becoming part of a community that values exploring the cutting edge of automotive technology. So, while we haven't cracked the code on complete DIY EV battery repair today, At least not with the information currently available. We've explored the possibilities, the challenges, and the importance of preventative care. The future of EV battery repair might be closer than we think, but for now, let's focus on keeping those batteries healthy and happy. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.